In this video we're making a simple spiral polymer clay egg stand that doesn't require any fancy equipment, just your hands. Please comment, like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more egg stands like these. I highly recommend you watch the video to the end, as this spiral design is the base for so many egg stands I have designed, and you can click on the links at the end to see how you can keep building your polymer clay skills. You can use these stands for different types of eggs like dragon eggs, polymer clay, Faberge, Thumbtack, resin, painted and many more. So let's get started. Roll a coil of your preferred coloured polymer clay and start by working on an oven-proof surface such as a tile or a piece of glass. Use your index finger to roll one end of the coil into a point and then slowly increase the coil in thickness from the pointed end to the other end as you go along. Next we'll make a little circle with the coil about that big and then press it down gently. This stand is being made for a 78mm size Thumbtack dragon egg. You can click on the links at the end if you want to learn how to make it. I'm also using a 78mm polystyrene egg to push into the stand right now to check that the clay will support the bottom of it. If the circle is too large, then the egg will roll around and you'll need to make your starting circle smaller. So wrap your coil around the circle and decide where you'd like it to stop, and then roll and even out the last of the coil, and just like we did before, roll the end into a point. So roll the rest of the coil around, keeping the circular shape as you go, and press down just in a moment very gently, and of course make sure you're working with conditioned clay. So in a moment we're just going to grab the polystyrene egg and push it down exactly in the center evenly, quite firmly, and rock it back and forth and side to side a few times. And then after that we're going to smooth out any marks really gently with your finger or a shaper tool. And don't move it off the surface, and bake it according to your polymer clay brand's directions. And once baked, gently use a tissue blade around the edges until it pops off, or you could very carefully use your fingernails. You can watch part 2 to learn how to antique this egg stand, or take it to the next level by clicking on the links right now.